Yes, P7, light energy. So, PLE 2022, this was one of the numbers that were given to the candidates. The diagram below shows a light ray, a light ray onto a lens. Use it to answer the following questions. Of course, we are here at RIFI International. Now, this is the type of lens given to us, and these are the questions to answer. Now, they are saying question number 1, we want to know this type of lens. And when we are teaching, we teach mainly these lenses. One looks like this, and another one looks like this. So, this one is a concave lens. This one is a concave lens. And then this one is a convex lens. So, which type of lens is shown in the diagram? We are going to come and say concave lens. P7 learners, if you cannot pass this number after studying light, there is a problem. Now, part of the say complete the path of ray A as it passes through the lens. I want to show you something. Look at this. So this is my A, this is my ray A. Here, as you can see, it is entering in the lens, which is the concave lens, and you see how it has moved. Instead of continuing straight, it has moved. In other words, this is a diverging lens. It diverges a ray. When a ray enters it straight, it is diverged into a different direction. Now, which means we are going to come here and say this lens has come straight, so we are going to continue it, and then as it passes through, it is going to take this direction. So for it, it will come big, and then when it reaches here, it will be diverted like this. It will not continue straight. It will be diverged to this side. That is the effect. You come with, this is my lens. Let me redraw it here. So when it comes, reaches, it is diverged like this. Now, if it was a convex, this lens, let me draw a ray. If it was convex like this, for it, what it does, usually if they are 3, it will, when they come, they will be converged at one position like here. So this is a concave lens. So we have completed the lens, and then we have completed the ray as it passed through the lens, and we have also answered that this one is actually a concave lens. What would you have put there, or what is your suggestion? You can ask more questions about this concept, but this is the number which was done by the candidates of 2022. Please do not forget to hit the subscription button, like and share with a friend. Thank you very much.